Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make chili noodles with the chicken. Let's start. First step, 1 piece of egg with 1 small spoon of salt and 1 small spoon of black pepper with 1 small spoon of cornstarch with 1 big spoon of flour, and we put little water. We mix it well to go to another step. After we mix it, we put in the chicken. We mix it well with the chicken and we leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we fry the chicken. Need around 10 minutes till we get gold brown color. We take it out. In this step, we fry 5 pieces of garlic for 20 seconds with same pan where we fry the chicken. After we put the onion with the green pepper, we mix it for 1 minute and we put the peanuts and we leave it in the medium heat for 1 minute. Now we need 1 big spoon of chili sauce with 1 big spoon of soya sauce and 1 big spoon of tomato paste or tomato sauce can be. We mix it well. We leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we take the chicken back. We mix it very well and we leave it in the medium heat for 3 minutes. In this step, we mix 1 small spoon of cornstarch with half cup of water. We mix it well with the chicken and we leave it in the medium fire for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, last step, we put the noodles. We mix it very well for 1 minute in the medium heat. Like this, our food will be ready for served. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.